everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made a enchanted mirror inspired in the movie Beauty and the Beast. I found this at Dollar Tree and I love how it has all of this detail. So what you'll need is a mirror, some gold paint, and a brush. You can also use gold spray. I didn't really like how it turned out with just the spray, so I'm just gonna go with the gold paint. So I went ahead and put just a couple dots on the mirror so I can just spread it out, but do have a little container just with extra so you can keep grabbing. Remember, you do have to get the sides so it can be all even. Okay, I have let mine dry. Now I'm gonna work on the front. You're gonna carefully go around the edges and let it dry, and then touch up as you need it. I'm gonna do for mine is I'm just gonna go in the mirror a little bit just to give it that vintage old look. Now I did get some already in the center. It's okay. It can easily be washed off. And this is the finished product. I loved how it turned out.